Okay, here is my French drain, yard drain, roof runoff system. Start out with two 8-slot pipes down here. Have a couple of clean out access points for those. Come down here, I have these two downspouts. And had to get a little creative. Had to kind of reroute this thing. I have to straighten that out, but had to reroute the gutter pipes down. So have those two running down on top of the two 8 slots. Pipes that I'm using are the Bachmann tile yellow 8 slot. Got those from Menards. Basically, looks like this. Couldn't afford to order from the French drain man, but I was able to get it, the yellow pipes from Menards pretty easy. Anyways, the two pipes that I have attached to the downspouts are 3-inch pipes. It's Princeco. They're stronger than what you would get at Home Depot. Still recycled materials, but I mean, that's the best I could do. I couldn't find anybody that sold 3-inch pipes that were virgin material. So did the best I could there. Anyways, those come down here, and both of those 3-inch pipes get attached into this extra large catch basin. And then on the top connector here, I have just a solid yellow Bachmann tile pipe coming out. So this is a big pothole in my yard. I'm gonna catch a lot of surface water from that, which will be really nice. Help dry out this area. We've had some flooding in our basement, and so hopefully this French drain, yard drain, roof runoffs combo is gonna do the trick in drying it out. Anyways, come over here, and it just continues down this side. I wasn't able to finish this yesterday, but we're gonna be finishing it up here soon. You can see I'm using a bigger rock to kind of hold down the pipes as I fill it up. So right here in this area, it becomes a quad pack. So I put an extra 8 slot in the trench because I had extra of it, and more void, the better, right? So got the solid pipe, got this extra 8 slot, and it's all gonna be running down here to this area where I have another downspout coming down right here. You can see I have my leaf catcher thing right there. Have the pipe coming and running underneath this retaining wall, and it's going to tie into a catch basin right here. I have to get that all attached, and then if you see it down here at the bottom, I have one of the 8 slots capped off, and then this other 8 slot one is going to get tied into this solid pipe after the catch basin. Those will get tied into the same pipe, and then that one single pipe is going to get tied into this dual wall culvert pipe. It's going to be stronger. We have 4-wheelers that go across this yard fairly often, so I needed something that would be a little stronger and hold up well. So just have a little trench dug for that, and it's just going to come down over here to this little spot on the hill. I have a little outlet, and I'm going to put down some riprap just so there's no erosion. But yeah, that's where the water is going to be coming out. Catch all that water coming down off the house, and hopefully taking care of our flooding problems in the basement. Had some contractors out here and they were saying to try do something like this first. Other option would be to put like a sump pump in the basement, but that was like, you know, $22,000 to do that, and I didn't want to do that. So I went this route, and it was an adventure. We have a lot of rocks. Like, you look at all these rocks, and this isn't even like a small piece. This is just a tiny portion of the amount of rocks that I had to deal with digging a trench through this ground. And this was all hand dug. I didn't have an excavator, and boy, that was a pain. If you're gonna do a quad pack, and my advice after doing this project would be hire a contractor, because that's a lot of work. That's tough. You know, contractors have a lot of experience. Probably won't make as many mistakes as I probably have made, but I think I've got the slope right. I checked it multiple times. I think we're good. I think this is going to be a good system. Got this roundish river gravel, 3/4 inch. According to French Drain Man, that does a better job of locking together all 4 of the pipes when you have a quad pack. But yeah, just going to be finishing this up tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have a good money shot, have all the water gushing out of that discharge line here at the end of the week, because we'll have a storm coming through, or a few storms. So, but yeah, just wanted to share this in case this helps somebody else who wants to build their own system, or yeah, anyone who's interested. It was fun. It's been extremely difficult, but really rewarding.